Hello everybody. Welcome on board. This is Handy Lucia Waite me. For those of us who has been looking for my updates, a lot of people, I thank you, those of you that love me, those of you that miss me. I know several others who were unable to reach me too will have been wondering. This is winter. We are in Cairo. Can you see me? Cairo is very cold. Guys, can you see me? Cairo is really cold. If I should get back from work, to even stand up, make food, to even stand up, go to bathroom to pee and clean up, I'm always inside the blanket. It's not easy. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ má bínú, òtútù yìí ni kí tí ẹ ń ṣọ̀rọ̀ bóyá network because Miss Nazareth ẹ ṣé gan. I love you ma. Thank you Madam Nazareth. Thank you for asking and so on. I thank you everybody. Ẹ ṣé. Òtútù Cairo nípọn. Okay, and if care is not taken, a lot of other ladies, I want to use this opportunity. If you are in a country that have a winter season, don't get it twisted during winter. It's not by force so that you should get hooked. My Escafés are intact, my coffee, do you understand? And I make sure I heat the water for shower every morning. It's not until when you go and look for by fire by force man, and man will start molesting you. Do you understand? Because even in Cairo they try to trick some other ladies. Ó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bí náà táwọn ọkùnrin á fẹ́ máa fi ìgbà òtútù tàn obìnrin jẹ. Ọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ kì í ṣe ipá o. Tẹ́ bá mọ̀ bí ọkọ ọkùnrin ṣe máa ń rí nípa obìnrin ni. Wọ́n nígbàgbọ́ pé obìnrin gbọ̀pọ̀, wọ́n nígbàgbọ́ pé obìnrin ò rí bí lọ tí wọ́n ti ta. A lot of men, their minds are dirty towards ladies. They believe ladies are, do you understand? That ladies have no other choice, that their life is a total write-off. They have no choice. That is why every man will come into most ladies' life and cajole them, destroy their life, especially in this time of winter. They will start deceiving you. Don't be deceived, ladies. There's nothing like all those rubbish. In this January, it will clock exactly 1 year that I'm not having any sexual intercourse. It's not by force. Be careful. Ẹ máa fojú wọlé kì í ṣe tipátipá. A lot of ladies are getting it wrong. That's why you are getting yourself into a mess every time. Yeah. Before I go into the Boko Haram issue that I want to discuss, Nigerian army versus Boko Haram, that's what I want to react to. Let me quickly chip into Àkàndá ọ̀rọ̀ Awikonko. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, Àkàndá ọ̀rọ̀ Awikonko. Kí ló ń sọ gan? Kí ni nǹkan tó ń sọ? What is your lamentation all about? Kí ló dé tó ń lé Yorùbá léré? Tẹ́ ẹ fi wá lọ́kàn balẹ̀. Kí ló dé? Can't we click your updates anymore? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bínú, Àjàlá tá ń nà, ẹ̀yin náà kọ́ yẹn. Lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná, èèyàn bí Sowore. Thank God that the guy has not given up. Were you not the one advising Sowore that the Nigerians are not worth dying for? Kí ló dé tẹ́ pé ariwo Fúlàní lẹ́yìn ariwo Fúlàní lọ́la? Tíru àwọn elders wa Tinubu, dáàdi wa Tinubu, ọba Ọ̀jájá, ọba Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́, gbogbo àwọn àgbàlagbà Yorùbá tá ní tọ́jú lórí, tí wọ́n bá ṣe nǹkan kan kí làwa fẹ́ ṣe? Kí ni nǹkan tá fẹ́ ṣe? Ìpínlẹ̀ Yorùbá ti wọ́, ẹ má jẹ́ ká tanra wa. Tí ìpínlẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bá wọ́ láyé yìí, Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè gbàkóso. Kì í dẹ́ ṣe ìpínlẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Yorùbá nìkan ló wọ́. The whole Nigeria, the foundation is faulty. The most important thing about anything in life is the foundation. Ìpínlẹ̀ yẹ́yẹ́ yọra yín lẹ́nu. Ìwọ náà ló lè kojú wọn lọ kojú wọn náà. Kí ló dé tẹ́ ń gbé oró sọ́kọ̀ àwọn Yorùbá? Táwọn ẹ̀yà mìíràn bá wáyé tó le, tó wáyé ìpàlẹ̀ tó di ilé ayé mú, kí ni tiwa tá máa Yorùbá ò wáyé tó le náà? Kí ló dé? Ṣé rí ìpínlẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ohun gbogbo ló ti wọ́? Òmìnira tá gbà náà tá tó gbà, even including the independence that we took by force from the British, that we weren't matured enough. Let's consider every aspect. Why are you bothering the mind of federal all Oduduwas? We should keep living our life in running. Fulani is about to overtake. If they want to overtake, let it overtake. Yes, I have foreseen this before. Go and check all my updates. I said I also noticed that whether we like it or not, war is coming. But ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ dé yìí, Ọlọ́run la Africa fi gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́lọ́run lọ́wọ́. Torí ẹ̀yin lẹ máa pàdé gún, ẹ̀yin lẹ máa pàdé ògùn. Ṣé bí wọ́n kan náà ló kó sí Sowore nú níjọ́ kìíní àná pé kó rò ó. kó sọ̀rẹ́ńdà o kó túbá o kọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ má lọ dàbí t'Abíọ́lá. Kí lẹ̀yin ọmọ aráyé fẹ́ gan? Your latest update now, you said Fulani ta red flag. Àbí báwo, how did you title it? Ìgbé Fulani láyé, ìgbé Fulani lọ́sàn ìgbé. Ìwọ náà ló lè kojú wọn, ìwọ náà kó lọ kojú wọn. Ìwọ náà ló lè tọ́ ṣòro Yorùbá. Ṣé àní sinmi àní sùn mọ́ ni? Nígbà tí Àfọ̀njá ní ẹ mà kú tán o. Ẹ kú gbogbo ìtàn tí ò dá nǹkan kan di èní. Ẹ ṣáàyè kó gìrìgìrì. Wọ́n ní gbọ́gbọ́ kò sí mọ́ rárá àfẹni tó bá tirẹ̀. Àwọn tá ń wò bí aṣáájú tí wọ́n bá ṣe nǹkan kan. Àgbàlagbì tó ju àgbàlagbì lọ lóògùn ọ̀fẹ́ Sunday Igboho. Ó ti sọ, ó ní kó tọwọ́ bọ̀wé. Òun ṣetán àti fọ́ sí gbogbo káwọn dẹ̀gbẹ́ àwọn ẹni yìí lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n kò sẹ́ni tó fún láyè. Àti ọ̀nà Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò gbogbo wọn wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Kí ni káwa ṣe? Kí ni káwa ṣe? Àwa tá ṣì ń jàjà pé bá ṣe rí jẹ tá ṣe rí mu ẹjọ́ kí ni káwa ṣe? Kí ni ká ṣe? Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ló jáde lẹ ní bí Sowore ṣe ń ṣe kó rò dáadáa kó jẹ́ lọ túbá. Gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń sáré kiri ní Sowore ti rí tipẹ́tipẹ́. Tó dẹ̀ ní àfirọ́ tó sì wà nínú ìgbèkùn yẹn báyìí pé Nàìjíríà gbọ́dọ̀ dára. Ẹ wò kólúkálukú àfi ká máa wojú Ọlọ́run ká dẹ̀ tún máa fàdúrà ran Sowore lọ́wọ́ kó bá ayọ̀ jáde bẹ̀. Ẹ yé yọ Yorùbá lẹ́nu àkọ́dá ọ̀rọ̀ Àríkókó pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń rí kiri tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo bẹ́yìn bá lajú báyìí Fúlàní lẹ́mọ̀ rí ṣá. Ọlọ́run ló mọ nǹkan tó so ẹ̀yìn àti Fúlàní pọ̀. Ẹ yé yọ àwọn Yorùbá lẹ́nu. In tó bá yẹ kó lúwẹ̀ rẹ̀ ṣe kéèyàn gbájúmọ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá kò lè ka yín lára jù àwa yòókù lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n when somebody's hands are tied, there's nothing we can do. Àwọn aṣáájú wa nìyẹn bẹ̀yẹn kí ló ṣe? Ọgbọ́n wo ni Fúlàní àti Buhari lè gbọ́ tán lè gbọ́n jùlọ àwọn dádì wa Tinubu gbogbo wọn lọ? Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tí wọ́n dákẹ́ ṣàmání kò sọpọlọ lórí wọn, ṣàmání wọn mọ nǹkan tó dákẹ́ fún ni àbí wọ́n máa wò kàn kó gbogbo wa jẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Táwọn yẹn bá ti lè máa wò kí Fúlàní kó gbogbo wa jẹ kí làwa fẹ́ ṣe? Ẹ̀ní gbogbo dúkìá táwa ẹ máa ń dúra yín nú. Gbogbo dúkìá tí Yorùbá ní. Gbogbo dúkìá tí Yorùbá ní. Èwo ni wà àwọn kan dá Àríkókó gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹbí Odùduwà, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀yà Odùduwà. Èwo ló jàǹfààní ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀? Kí láǹfààní dúkìá tẹ̀dá ní tẹ́ yóò jàǹfààní ẹ̀? Gbogbo wa náà la mọ̀ gbogbo àwọn tó gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé epo, tó gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé àlùmọ́nì, tó gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé gbogbo nǹkan mèremère bí ẹ̀ṣọ́ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó ń jẹ kílẹ̀ fẹ́ tó ń ranjú fò. Èmi ò ní dárúkọ ẹnìkankan láti Oǹdó kankan o tó wà lára wọn. Tó ń ranjú tó ń jẹ kílẹ̀ fẹ́ wọ́n lẹ́nìkan àwọn ń jẹ ní kílẹ̀ fẹ́ tó ń ranjú fò. Kí láǹfààní dúkìá tí Yorùbá ní tí èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnìkan tí mo tún wá ń forí jagun bíbà nílùú onílùú? Kí láǹfààní dúkìá tó wà nílé fáwọn Odùduwà táwa go lè là kí wá láǹfààní ó pẹ́ kọ́ tó kó gbogbo ẹ̀ jẹ káràtà Fúlàní tó wá kó? Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ro ọ̀rọ̀ ká tó sọ. Kí ni káwa ṣe? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí ni káwa ṣe? Àbáwọn ọ̀dọ́ wa tó ń yọ lẹ́nu kiri tí wà jáde lẹ́nu ìwọ náà lọ kojú wọn náà. Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ Boko Haram tí mo tiẹ̀ ní. I say I should quickly into you guys. Welcome on board. I love you. Thank you everybody. You know, I saw a wonderful update, genuine update concerning Nigerian army and the Boko Haram. It was a great shootout. A great shootout but that's why I thank God for Nigerian forces and they are doing a great job. Both police, both army, I can see and Nigeria is going to be better. It's going to be better and better and better and greater by the grace of God. But I begin to wonder about the Boko Haram. Èèyàn kan ló wà lẹ́yìn ọ̀rọ̀ tó rò fi ń dún. Who are the people sponsoring these people? Because they are not relenting at all. They are going strong, but they are going strong to their own doom. And can guarantee fellow Nigerians, I can perceive it. That is what I saw concerning them. They are going stronger and stronger for their own destruction, for their own doom. Because the more Nigerian army were firing, the more they were. Who are these people? Who do they think? What do they want? After all, it is their people that is in government. You should continue in your Boko Haram. I thought they've been eradicated for long, not knowing that they are still operating. You need to watch the shootout. Keep it up, Nigerian army. The Lord is strongly behind you. Even the whole Odùduwà. It is well, but I don't want to say anything concerning what I've seen. I don't want to encourage somebody like Àkàndá Awíkókó, because I've had it up to here about that man. Kí ni ká wá ṣe? Ìpilẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ló wọ́, but I know the Lord is in charge. Yes, it might look like the Fulani is trying to outsmart us, because the more Buhari keep on taking Sowore in those states, keep on taking Sowore, despite that the court has finally withdrawn from the case. The courts are really angry the way Buhari is handling the issue. He sees something about Sowore that this guy can be a, do you understand? This guy can be an hindrance for them to carry their operation. I know Buhari have a plan that is negative toward especially the Yorubas. That's why that he saw the ambition in Sowore, that Sowore has made up his mind. I've signed totally for Odùduwà, for Nigerian generation. He kept on attacking him, make sure that he's not free, that maybe one day, due to that, he will eventually die and all that. We can see his plan, but I believe, I don't want to say much, but let's continue to encourage and pray for Sowore. But Àkàndá Awíkókó, ọ̀rọ̀ irú èèyàn bẹ́yìn ò yé wa, torí abánidá ìbánidébẹ̀. Tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ mo máa ń ka ọ̀rọ̀ Àkàndá Awíkókó sí, but tí nǹkan bá ti ń pọ̀ jù, kí ló dé tó yí lọ, ìwọ náà tó bá ṣe bó dẹrùn bẹ́ẹ̀, kí lè tẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kọrin sáwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ létí, kí làwa fẹ́ ṣe, kí ni ká ṣe? Èèyàn bíi Sunday Igboho ti gbójú gbóyà pé òun ṣe tọ́pẹ̀ láwọn tòun, ṣùgbọ́n kọ́ bá òun tọwọ́ bọ̀wé, kò sẹ́ni tó tọwọ́ bọ̀wé, kí ni káwa ṣe? Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni lòun ò lè dédé fọ́ sí gbòòrò kọ́ lọ kó tó ábì bàtálíọ̀mù wá, kọ́ ni wọ́n fẹ́ máa pa àwọn Haúsá ṣeré, àbírú kọ́ fẹ́ máa pa àwọn Fúlàní ṣeré. Gbogbo nǹkan ó gba sùúrù ó gbọgbọ́, òkú ìwọ rí ká Buhari rí, nígbà tá a ti ráwọn tó pé afojújọ tàbí pé ẹ̀jẹ̀jọ ni gbogbo wa, tí wọn ò ṣe nǹkan kan tó tún jẹ́ àwọn tó wà lágbára, àwọn bíi Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò, àwọn bíi bàbá wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ Jagaban, gbogbo wọn. Kí ni káwa ṣe? Kò sí nǹkan táwa lè ṣe. Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè dá sọ́rọ̀ yìí. Tí ìpilẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bá ti wọ́, ọ̀fọ̀ tó tọ́ sí gbẹ̀gì kó ká rú kọ̀ọ̀kan lọ́wọ́ ni. Ṣùgbọ́n èmi mọ̀ pé nípa ìfẹ́ olùgbàlà kì yóò sí nǹkan. Ẹ yé kó gìrì sọ́kún àwọn èèyàn mọ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, update. I think Chacha was right when he say we should be creative, we should say some, update something more. There are a lot of things you can update about. Kì í ṣe ogun bọ̀. Ogun ò dàbí ọkà, kò dàbí iyán lóòótọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n yẹn ò ní pé kéèyàn kúdekú. Yorùbá ò lè wá kúdekú. Mo tiẹ̀ jẹ́rìí àwọn Yorùbá wa náà àtijọ́ tó ti ń kígbe. Àtijọ́ tó ti ń kígbe. Ó tọ́ ni ìwọ kéré tó ń kígbe, ò fojú ẹ̀ ọ̀kan tiẹ̀ mọ bójú ẹ ṣe rí. Ṣé èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́ máa tẹ̀lé? Ẹ wo, Ọlọ́run á gbàkóso. We thank God for the Nigerian army. I know that Lord is on the throne. Nigeria, we should continue. What I will urge fellow Nigerians, let's continue to be optimistic. Come what may. Be optimistic. Not that you should be inconveniencing one another. That they should be living their life in fear and hatred. That is what Àkàndá Awíkókó is all about. You want to be creating hatred that will not walk into the heart of the Oduduwas. We can have hatred till tomorrow. It will not move any mountain. Wisdom is the greatest thing. I'm sure our elders in Oduduwa have seen that, hey, there's nothing we can do if care is not taken. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí gbogbo nǹkan ó gba ọgbọ́n. Ó lè jọ pé iná wà lórí òrùlé lóòótọ́, ṣùgbọ́n ó gba ọgbọ́n torí pé tá bá ní Nàìjíríà, Yorùbá ní kọ́kọ́ ní Nàìjíríà. Ó gba ọgbọ́n. Thank you guys. Ẹ ṣé Andidi Olú. Ẹ ṣé gbẹ̀yìn tèmi. Ẹ ṣé, thank you.